Good morning from Michigan. Clearview Cyclones. Just doing another weekend vlog. It's obviously winter if you can't tell in the background. Take this shot for our cohorts in South Carolina because, yeah, they're always giving us a hard time about how warm it is down there. But it's Saturday. We're working again. I'm working again, anticipating some orders that we have coming up for the week. Just trying to get ahead of it. That's what you do as an entrepreneur. You contribute where you can. And we're at the stage of the game right now where, it's all hands on board. We wear many different hats here, but thought I'd give you a little bit of a sneak peek. This is our manufacturing floor. It's Saturday, so it's only me here and the CNC machine running. But kind of will do a quick walkthrough. We've had other blurbs out there on YouTube that kind of showed what we're doing, but this is our CNC machine. We run MDF. It's actually not MDF, it's a HDF. A lot of people don't realize this is not anything you're going to buy in your box store. It has a lot higher tensile strength, a lot of structural strength. And these are some components that we typically run and then install them in our plastic units as well. This has been around for a minute, so it's not anything new and innovative, but what people see with the finished product is a painted part. But yeah, I thought I'd give a sneak peek what we're doing. We'll do continue to do the Saturday updates. Again, give you a little insight to what we're doing as a manufacturer. Of course, there's the plastic cones that we have down there. All this stuff is cut, bent, assembled here. Very much American made. And thought I'd just kind of bring you along for the ride on a Saturday again. Hopefully it's not too boring, but I think people appreciate the insights to what we're doing here. One of the things that we're for sure are trying to get better at is coming up with SOPs and work instructions. Everybody loves that. So that's my background in manufacturing, is to make sure that we have a consistent process, which equals a consistent product and the quality of the product. And it also allows you to kind of systemically figure out when something's not working. So systems, it's all about systems. If you want to be successful as an American manufacturer, you got to have systems in place. We're doing a lot, of course, with the DNC. Has historically been an area that the business has built on the last 25 years. And we're starting to get into some more commercial applications as well, which is always fun and exciting. So as we get into these projects, we'll introduce them, and hopefully the customers and clients that we have will allow us to kind of share that experience as well. But appreciate you sticking with me. I try and keep these things under 5 minutes. They're just little tidbits on the weekend. It's just me and my lonesome here, so it's a way to kind of elicit a response and share what thoughts I have. So again, appreciate you sticking with me for my second vlog. Thanks.